Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So another class from physics from the chapter vectors. Okay, in the previous lecture we already discussed all about the theories of scalar product and dot product and the resolution of vectors. Now we will do some numericals from that topics such that we can easily remind that topics. Okay, find the angle. The question is like that: find the angle between the vectors a vector and b vector. So okay, so first I write what is given here. A vector equal to I vector cap plus 2j cap, this one will be cap minus k cap, and b vector equal to minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Right? Now what is the formula of angle? This cos theta is a dot b by mod a mod b. So first we have to find the mod of a and mod of b is what. So therefore mod of a, how can I find this mod? This one square, the coefficients of I square, 1 square, coefficients of j square, that is 2 square, and this one is coefficients of minus k square. Okay, so it will be 1 plus 4 plus 1 and it becomes root 6. Right? Now again mod b will be minus 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. It will be 1 plus 1 plus 4. It will be root 6. Okay, now come here. This one is the formula. Okay, all of you know this one. Those one does not see or watch my previous lecture, that is the theory portion of the scalar dot product, please watch this portion, otherwise you have face some problems or troubles to understand the numericals. Okay, so now a dot b. Okay, a dot b is what? A is what here? I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap dot b is minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, now if I dot multiply this one, this dot product, I dot I is minus 1, 2 plus j, that is 2, and minus 1 is plus 4. It will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Right? Similar will be 1 and this will be 0. So I dot I, here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is minus 1, that is 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Here coefficient is 2, here coefficient is 1, that is 1 into 2, that is 2. Here coefficient is minus 1 and it will be minus 2, that is 1 and minus 1 into 2, that is plus 2. Okay, now 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Right? Now the angle, how can I find angle? Angle theta equal to a vector with b vector by mod a mod b equal to what? A dot b is 3 and here it will be root 6 into root 6, that is 3 by 6, it will be 2 into 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by 2. So what value of cos is 1 by 2? Cos 60 degree. So it will be cos 60 degree, so theta will be 60 degree or pi by 3. Right? So this is the correct answer. So what is the correct answer? Yes, option C is correct. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, all of you understood this one? I hope all of you understood this one. Fine. Okay, take a screenshot here. Please take a screenshot. And whenever you watch my video, please watch. If you are at your home, then take one paper and pen. Okay, and if you take one paper and pen, you will do with me. Then if you do with me and if you go through with me, then you can feel you are doing in online or you are watching something. Okay, if you practice in the pen and paper with pen and paper, then it will be remain in long terms. It will remain in long terms. Okay, so let's try another question. So the another question, the second question is two vectors, a vector is equal to 5i plus 7j minus 3k and b vector equal to 2i plus 2j minus alpha k are perpendicular to each other stop. What is the value of alpha? So we have to find out the value of alpha. There are 4 options is given. Which option is correct? We have to find out. So now what is given here? Given a vector is equal to 5i plus 7j minus 3k. Okay, and b vector is 2i plus 2j minus alpha k. Okay, so since they are perpendicular, according to the question we can write a dot b is what? 0. So according to the question a dot b will be 0. A dot is not it. We know that from the properties of scalar product is not it. The dot product is 0 when the vectors are perpendicular. Now 5i plus 7j minus 3k dot 2i plus 2j minus alpha k equal to 0. So that is 10. If this multiply similar, then it will be 10. Here it will be 14. Here it will be plus 3 alpha equal to 0. Now it will become 24 plus 3 alpha equal to 0, and 3 alpha equal to minus 24. That is alpha equal to minus 8. So minus 8 will be the correct answer. So minus 8 will be the correct answer. Okay, so which option is correct here, sir? Option B is correct, right? Option B is correct. You have to remember this one. So it's so simple here. You know, what I am doing here? Nothing. I am just take this one and take the dot product. Simple. In 30 seconds you can find the answer of the questions. Okay, so option C will be correct. Take a screenshot here. Hello everyone, I hope all of you are excited. Okay, एनर्जी बना के रखो. देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ए फोर्स ऑफ 7i plus 6k Newton makes a body. The third question is makes a body move on a rough plane with a velocity of this one. Calculate the power in watt. So here what is given? A force is applied on a body and the body starts moving. Okay, suppose this one is one body. Okay, you apply force here and this one is the velocity. Okay, so its velocity is 3j and 4k, right? Okay, meter per second, and its force is what? Force is 7i plus 6k, right? Okay, fine. Say force. So what is given here? Given force, that is F vector. F, this one is applied force, is not it? Is Newton. Unit is Newton. So 7i plus 6k Newton, and B vector is 3j plus 4k meter per second. Okay, now what is the power? So power will be P will be F dot B. So just put the below F here. F is what? 7i plus 6k dot B is what? 3j plus 4k. Now here, look at here. Here in some cases J is missing, in here I is missing. So in this type of questions you just don't be confused. Okay, don't be confused. Here J is missing, here I is missing. That means the coordinate of J will be 0 here and I will be 0 here. We can write. So this one is I, this one is J, this one is K. So it will be 0. This one is K, here is no J, this will be also 0. And this one is K and this one is square. So multiply this one. 6 into 4, that is 24. So 24 watt will be the answer of these questions. So which option is correct? Option C is correct option. So option C will be the correct. It's so simple. Okay, see, you can calculate without, you can find out the answer without calculation this. Okay, if we look at here, this one is I, this one is J, this one is K, this one is K. So similar is what? here is 6 and here is 4, that is 24. You can find out easily this one, is not it? If you find direct, you can find direct method is you can find directly. How? Power p equal to, here is I, here is j, it will be 0. Okay, fine. Here is k, here is j, it will be again 0 and it will be 4. So similar is 4, 24. So you can find very fast by comparing this without any calculation. Since I am doing here, some of the students are starting from 0. That's why I am trying to give all the steps needs for the solution of the questions. Okay, I am trying to all the steps needs for the solution of the questions, or you can find very fast also. So student, the next question is question number 4. If mod f vector plus b vector equal to mod a minus b vector, okay, that is sum of the two vectors, mod of the sum of the two vectors is equal to the difference of the two vectors, then in that case what will be the angle of the AB? We have to find out. Okay, so let's try. So what is given here? Given, right, this one mod, this one will be mod. Okay, so you can square this one, it is a dot b. You remember in this way I am squaring both sides. Okay, actually I am doing dot product with this and this. Here also I am dot product this with itself. Okay, but if you don't remember, if you can't remember this method, then simply take one simple method or simple memory. This one I am just doing squaring both sides. Okay, I am just doing squaring both sides. This one will be a plus b whole square and this will be a minus b whole square. In that way also you can remember this one. Okay, so this one will be cancelled and this one will be cancelled. So 2a dot b, it will be minus 2a dot b. 2a dot b, it will be plus a dot b equal to 0. So 4a dot b, it will be 0. So a dot b will be 0. So if a dot b is 0, then what is the angle? Angle will be a perpendicular to b. So therefore angle will be 90 degree. Okay, so which option is correct? Option A is correct. So option A is correct, right? It will be 90 degree. So option A is correct. So take a screenshot here. So the next question is, if four vectors, okay, vectors p, q, r have magnitude 4, 5, 12, 13 units and p plus q equal to r vector, then find the angle between q vector and r vector. Okay, so we have to find out the angle between q. So we have to find out the angle of q vector, r vector. So what is given here? Given mod of p equal to 5, mod of q equal to 12 and mod of r equal to 13. Okay, so one condition is given, p plus q equal to r vector. Okay, so what we have to find out the angle between q and r. So q, I take q and r in the left side and p will be in the right side. Okay, so now you do scalar product with itself. If I do scalar product with equation 1, it will become like that, r minus r dot q r minus r and minus p vector dot into minus p vector. Okay, so now it will multiply, if you multiply this, it will becomes q dot q, that is mod q square, that is q dot r, here will be r dot q and here will be plus mod r square, it will be mod p square. Now mod q square is what? That is 13 square, here will be q dot r plus mod r square means mod q square is 12 square, sorry, it will be 12 square, here it will be 13 square, and here it will be 5 square. Okay, now we have to find out the angle. It will be 144 minus 2 into q dot r. Okay, here will be 169, here will be 25. So 144 plus 169 minus 25 minus equal to 2 q dot r. Okay, so it will be 144 plus 144, it will be 2 into q dot r. So if we take this one, this is 2 into 144, 2 into q dot r, 2 will be cancelled. So 144, it will be mod q mod r cos theta. I just played the formula q dot r, okay, here. So now 144, it will, mod q is what? Mod q is 12, is not it? It will be 12, it will be 13 into cos r. If you cut this by this, it will be 12 again. So 12 equal to 13 cos theta. So cos theta equal to 13 by 12. Okay, 13 by 12. Sorry, cos theta equal to 12 by 13. It will be 12 by 13. 12 by 13. So theta equal to cos inverse 12 by 13. So option, which option is correct, sir? Option 12 by 13. That is option A is correct. Option A is correct. Is not it? So let me explain again in 30 seconds. Here given P, Q, R have the magnitude of 5, 12 and 13 units. Okay, fine. That is mod P is 5, mod Q is 12 and mod R is 13. Now, and given one condition here, P plus Q equal to R vector. Now I have to find out the angle between Q vector and R vector. So I take Q plus Q equal to R vector. Since we have to find out the angle between Q and R, so I take these two in the left side and P is the right side, and I am doing the scalar product with equation 1 itself. Okay, after doing scalar product, what becomes simplification? It becomes 13 equal to 12 equal to 13 cos theta. That is cos theta equal to 12 by 13. So what will be the value of theta? Theta will be cos inverse 12 by 13. So option A will be correct. Okay, to take a screenshot here. So the question number 6 is the next question from the topic scalar product dot product. If A plus B equal to C and A square plus B square equal to C square, then find the angle between A vector and B vector. Okay, so what is given here? Given A square plus B square equal to C square. This is one equation, and we have to given another equation, that is A vector plus B vector equal to C vector. Okay, right? Now we have to find out the angle between this one. So I am doing this equation dot product with itself. Okay, in that way. That is mod A square A dot B B dot A mod B square mod C square. Now it will be A square, it will be 2 A dot B B square and it will be C square. Okay, and C square is what? C square is A square plus B square. A square plus B square. Okay, now this one will be cancelled, this one will be cancelled. So 2 A dot B will be 0. So A dot B will be 0. So therefore theta will be 90 degree. Since A perpendicular to B, so A perpendicular to B, that means theta equal to 90 degree. Okay, fine. So what I am doing here, I am doing this. It's so simple. This equation is condition is given, that is C is the resultant vector of A and B. We can easily understand this one, and one condition is there. s square plus b square equal to c square. This is the mod of s square plus mod of b square equal to mod of c square. Okay, right? I'm taking this one and giving one equation 1, and I take this part and I am doing the same method, that is scalar product of each cell or dot product of each cell. This one dot this one and this one dot this one. Okay, and I multiplied this. A dot is what? A dot is what, sir? Mod s square, and B dot B is what? Mod B square. Mod C dot C what, sir? Mod C square. This is what? How can I write this? From the properties of scalar product. We already discussed this one. Okay. From the properties of scalar product, we can write A dot A is mod S square. So here I am just putting the value of c square is what? S square plus b square, and both side s square cancel and b square cancel. After that, what will be left here? 2 a dot b equal to 0, that is a dot b equal to 0, that is a perpendicular to b, that is theta equal to 90 degree. Okay, so theta will be 90 degree. So which option is correct? Option D is correct here. Option D is the correct answer. I hope all of you have understood this one. So take a screenshot. Hi everyone, good morning. Hi. So the last question, okay? Keep patience. The last question of the class, okay? So now still 1 am, okay? I am doing videos for all of you. Now it's 1:05 am. It's 1:05 am, okay? At the midnight I am doing video for all of you. So you have to keep patience, okay? So under a force of 10I minus 3J plus 6K Newton, a body of mass 5 kg is displaced from the position of earth to earth, and calculate the water. Okay, fine. This one is force. What is given? 10I minus 3J plus 6K, and displacement. This one is initial position and this one is final position. So it will be displacement will be S vector will be this initial to final. So final minus initial. This is position vector. 2y displacement vector. This one minus 6i 5j minus 3k. S vector equal to 10i minus 2j plus 7k minus 6i minus 5j plus 3k. Okay, so now 10 minus 5 is 10 minus 4 6 is 4i, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7j, and 7 plus 3, that is 10k. Okay, now the work done, W is equal to F dot S. F means how much? 10i minus 3j plus 6k dot 4i minus 7j plus 10k, right? Okay, so now do the simple dot product here. It will be 40 plus 21 and it will be 60, that is 121 joule. So work done will be 121 joule. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Okay, option B is correct. Option B is the correct answer, right? So option B is the correct answer. So what I am doing here, I take the force here, right, and mass is no need to use this one here. Okay, some student, few student always thinking about the mass all the time during the exam, because they try to use this mass anywhere in the solution, but mass is no need but given in the question because of confusing to the student. Okay, so the position vector after applying the force, the object is displaced from this point to this point. So I take the position displacement vector, that it will be this vector minus this vector, or position vector this minus this. Okay, it will be position vector. As vector equal to this one final position minus initial position, and after that it will becomes this one, and our done is what is so simple, F dot S, just I put the value, and after simply what becomes 121 joule. So 121 joule is the correct answer, right? So take a screenshot from that. So the homeworks for all of you are, there are 5 homeworks. Okay, are you there? Okay, so these are the 5 homeworks for all of you. All the questions are similar question I am doing here. Okay, all the question based on the scalar product or dot product. Okay, the first question is 3 vectors a, b, c are such that a vector equal to b vector plus c vector and their magnitude are 5, 4, 3 respectively. Find the angles between a and b, a and c. Okay, next, the determine the angle which the vector at this one makes with x, y, z axes. Okay, this one is one interesting question. This vector makes what angle makes with x axis, what angle makes with the y axis, and what angle makes with z axis. You have to find out this one. Next, what value of a are the vectors? A vector and b vector are perpendicular to each other. So we have to find out the value of a for which these 2 vectors are perpendicular. And a vector f is this one, and f is 5i and 4j. Newton displaces a body through as vector equal to 3ij plus 4k meter in 3 seconds. Okay, then find the power. If a vector, b vector, c vector are unit vectors and a vector equal to b vector minus c vector, then find the angle between a vector and b vector. So all the questions I already done here. This type of question already done, and these are the similar type of question for all of you are as homework or home tasks. Okay, so thank you for watching. Good night, because this one is right now 1:15 am. Okay, time is 1:15 am. So I wishing you all of you good night, and take care and take a screenshot from that, and after taking screenshot you write all the question in the paper, and after that you try at your home. Okay, if any one question among the 5, if any one question you can't do this, then leave a comment in the comment sections, and which questions or you can unable to solve, then I will solve it and I will solve it in the next video. Okay, and give you the answer. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.